Hello everyone, welcome back to Wellness Guide Hub. Today we're tackling a bunch of wellness myths that seem to be everywhere. You might be following them without even realizing it, but fear not, we're here to set the record straight and help you make informed choices for your well-being. Myth number 1, ditching all fat is the key to weight loss. We've all heard it. Fat is the enemy, but hold on a sec, not all fats are created equal. While saturated and trans fats from processed foods can pack on the pounds, healthy fats are actually essential for our bodies. Think avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish. These good-for-you fats play a role in hormone production, help us absorb nutrients, and even keep us feeling fuller for longer. So ditch the fad diets and embrace healthy fats as part of a balanced eating plan. Myth number 2, low-carb is the ultimate weight loss weapon. Low-carb diets might get you quick results on the scale, but are they sustainable? Often these restrictive plans leave us feeling sluggish, headachy, and even constipated. Not exactly a recipe for long-term success. The truth is, a balanced diet that includes all food groups is a much better approach. Think whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean protein. This way, you'll get the essential nutrients your body needs to stay energized and manage weight in a healthy way. Myth number 3, all calories are created equal? Not quite. We often hear about calorie counting for weight loss. But the truth is, a calorie from a candy bar isn't the same as a calorie from an apple. Highly processed foods and sugary drinks are calorie bombs with little nutritional value. They spike your blood sugar and leave you hungry soon after. Whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, on the other hand, pack a nutritional punch alongside their calories, keeping you feeling satisfied and energized for longer. Myth number 4, detox diets, your body's magic reset button. Our bodies are amazing machines with built-in detox systems, the liver and kidneys. These incredible organs work tirelessly to eliminate waste products naturally. So those trendy detox diets promising a magical cleanse, science doesn't back it up. In fact, some detox plans can be restrictive and lead to nutrient deficiencies. Trust your body's natural processes and focus on a healthy diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Myth number 5, gluten-free for everyone? Think again. Gluten-free has become a major buzzword, but is it necessary for everyone? Gluten is a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. Only people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity need to avoid it. Going gluten-free without a medical reason can actually deprive you of essential nutrients found in whole grains. Plus, it can be more expensive. So unless your doctor recommends it, there's no need to ditch the gluten. Myth number 6, you need 8 glasses of water every single day? We've all heard the 8 glasses of water a day rule. But the truth is, individual water needs vary. Factors like activity level, climate, and overall health play a role. The key is to listen to your body. Aim to drink enough water to feel satiated and keep your urine clear or light yellow throughout the day. So there you have it. We've busted some common wellness myths. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is all about balance and sustainable choices. Focus on a balanced diet, listen to your body, and don't be afraid to consult a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more evidence-based wellness tips. Let's all keep striving for a healthier and happier life.